How to download Instagram on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can download Instagram on your PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you would like to download the Instagram application on your PC, for this, first of all, make sure that you launch the Microsoft Store, which is available on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Once you do that, at the top you can see a search bar where you want to simply search for Instagram, and once you search for Instagram, you'll see the Instagram application right at the top of the search result. And if you haven't downloaded it already, on the left hand side you will be able to see the install button. Now, because in my case I have already downloaded it, you're seeing the open button. If you haven't, just make sure to hit that install button. The application will begin downloading. Make sure you're connected to the internet and have enough space, and after you have done that, Instagram app will be installed and you'll be able to use them. This way you should be able to download the Instagram app on your PC. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.